As with our stain and clear lacquer finishing, we ensure our solid color lacquer finishing surpasses industry standards and lives up to the quality you would expect from Elias Woodwork. First, it's important to note that what we refer to as paint is actually solid color lacquer, which provides a more smooth, durable, tough, and long-lasting finish versus traditional paint. Achieving this smooth, high-quality lacquer finish on our wood products also comes from years of perfecting the process and utilizing state-of-the-art equipment with high-quality finishing products. As with all our wood products, preparation sanding is key to achieving a smooth finish. We start by sanding the door and drawer front panels. The panels are then primed before assembly. This is because most panels are made from high-density fiberboard, or HDF, which is slightly more porous than wood, so an extra coat of primer on the panel ensures they have an even, smooth surface prior to painting. Once the panels are dry, they are then assembled with the frames. The clamping machine then applies pressure to the edges of the frame to ensure tight joints. They are then sent through a double ender machine, which adds the edge profile to opposite sides of the door at the same time. From there, your doors and drawer fronts go through a thickness sander that will ensure they are sanded to the correct thickness. Before being primed, all products are carefully inspected and prep sanded. With painted product, any imperfections will show very clearly on the surface, so our check-off procedures at this stage are very thorough to ensure a high-quality, smooth painted surface. From there, your assembled doors and drawer fronts are fully primed. We use 4 different primer colors depending on the desired top coat paint color. After being oven dried, they are scuff sanded and carefully inspected for any flaws that could interfere with a smooth finish. Your products are now ready for the final painted top coat. All of our solid lacquer colors are made in-house with high-quality bases. This allows us to provide any color quickly and efficiently with minimal inventory space consumption. This also means that we can provide custom colors upon request and can match any color sample sent to us by a customer. All colors are then stored in our expert system for future reference. A drying catalyst is then mixed in with the solid color lacquer. When applying a machine-sprayed solid lacquer color, a test piece is first sprayed to ensure the correct amount of lacquer is being applied. After setup and adjustments are made, your wood products are sent through the robotic spray tunnel for their painted top coat. From there, the painted products are sent through the drying oven, which helps the lacquer finish cure smoothly and evenly while preventing airborne particles from contaminating the finish. When lacquering is complete, your products are once again carefully inspected for any flaws to the finished surface. All products go through an in-depth quality control procedure to ensure the quality you've come to expect from Elias Woodwork. If a glaze is requested, your doors are then prepped and sprayed with glaze. The glaze dries almost instantly, and the wipe-off method depends on the type of glazing technique requested. After the glazing process is complete, the product receives another final 10-degree top coat of clear lacquer to seal in the glaze. Your painted product is now ready for packaging and shipping to your shop or job site. Thanks for watching our brief overview of Elias Woodwork's paint finishing process. Order your sample doors and color swatches today and see for yourself the superior finish quality of Elias Woodwork products.